Hey guys, it's Jonathan here from Daddy Guitar Lessons and welcome back to another week. This week it is our second last Christmas song and it's a very popular one. It is Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. It's our second last Christmas song. So click subscribe, hit the notification bell to not miss our last one coming up a bit later this week. So stick around, we're going to break it down, zoom in and do this song slowly, so you guys can play it by Christmas morning. Alright guys, so Feliz Navidad. We're going to run down through the chords you guys need to know. It's only 3 chords you already know. If you don't, hit the link on top and learn those chords. If you guys start practicing right away, this is a song you'll definitely be able to play come Christmas Day. So the chords you're going to use, it's a chord D, and it's the chord E and the chord A. Now this is the Michael Buble version. It's just a bit easier. There is another version as well. You can play with G, E, G, A and D, but we're going to do the Buble version. So it is the chords D, the chord E and the chord A. And those are the only 3 chords you're going to need to know to play Feliz Navidad. So let's zoom in and let's play this song. Feliz Navidad, up close and personal. So the chords we're going to use, the chord D, the chord E and the chord A. Only 3 chords. Easy 3 chords, essential 3 chords. If you guys are starting off with guitar or any guitarist, essential chords you need to know. So it's D, E and A. And let's start off slowly. And A. And A. Feliz Navidad. E. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, E and A. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. A. I wish you a Merry Christmas, E, bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. See, so it's a very easy song, so let's start off playing it a bit slower, starting with D. So let's just get into the rhythm a bit more slowly. So let's start off with D in 3, 2, 1 and D and E and A and D and E. Once again, if you guys sing along with it, it's just much easier to pick up the rhythm. So let's go slowly, let's just continue. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, E and A. So you stay on A for just a bit longer. And it's the same progression throughout the I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. So it's the same chords, the same progression. Now if you guys listen to the album, there is a different chord in there, but we're not going to do it. That's a bar chord, that's F sharp, but we're not going to do it for the beginner songs, for the beginner lessons. So let's go through it once more, a bit slowly as just now, and we'll just pick up the tempo from there. So let's start off with 3, 2, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, D, D, E and A. Same with I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. E, wish you a A. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad. So let's do it once more, but let's pick up the tempo. So 3, 2, Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. And hey, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad. So, great Christmas song, easy Christmas song, 3 chords. So, you've seen it up close. Let's have a little play along, a little sing along to Feliz Navidad. It's one of those songs, again, like a lot of the Christmas songs, it's just so much easier to get the rhythm and the strumming right when you sing along to the chords. So let's start off slowly, but trying to get the rhythm a bit more full. If you guys don't know how to do it, click the link on top. There's a lesson on, or a couple of tips to get your strumming sounding so much better very, very quickly, almost instantly. So let's go through Feliz Navidad. It's D, it's E, and it's A. And it's A, so we stay on A a bit longer than D and E. So let's start. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. A, D, and E, and A. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. And it's also the same for the I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. Deep and deep from my heart. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Now, if you play the song to the album, to the Michael Buble version, you'll hear a F sharp, but we're not going to do any bar chords this year for the Christmas songs. Maybe for next year we can do a couple of bar chords, and that's just one part of the song with a I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. E and A. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. A and A. D, 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 from my heart. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. So you can also start picking if you guys feel like it. So don't worry about that part if you listen to the album. It's not necessary, not for beginners. Not this year, not this Christmas. So 3 chords, another awesome song to play for your friends and family. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And that is it for this week's lesson. That was Feliz Navidad. So click subscribe and hit the notification bell to not miss our last lesson before Christmas, or for the Christmas songs. The lessons will continue throughout the whole year, or the rest of the year. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also join us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for some bonus tips and tricks. I'll see you guys later this week.